broom. What are you doing to my broom? Oh. Okay, okay. Let go. Herschel, let go of the broom! Oh. No.
Lift it high in the air. Let's see how far he jumps.
Okay, enough. Okay, enough. Okay, I think you got enough. Let go. Oh, I'm so tired. Stanley, put him outside. That messy speaking. Okay, and you, sweet.